Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BTU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day today. Big volume, more downward selling pressure, and not just as a question of does this thing have really any sort of chance at trying to get things turned around. And there is a little interesting pattern here that's formed. So I want to first get this drawn into place here, and we'll see if it leads to anything or not. But this would be what I'd consider a poor man's falling wedge. Actually, let me change that to green to represent support. Now, you would think that a falling wedge is a bearish pattern, but for whatever reason, a falling wedge is actually a bullish pattern, whereas a rising wedge is a bearish pattern. But in this situation, we have a little falling wedge pattern here. And I should note, especially if you're new, just because something is a bullish pattern does not mean that for sure guaranteed the price is going to go up. I mean, I wish I could say trading was that easy. But what I'm just saying is that it's at least it's at least a rational thought to have right now that, potentially the price could, break up through that area, and, the price could show some signs of upward strength. Now, also when I say upward strength, I don't mean, the price goes up there at like to $1.50, but, the potential is there from a trading opportunity to potentially see some sort of, attempted movement back to the upside. So if the price can break to the upside of this current pattern right here, that next key and first main level of resistance is going to be right up there at 90 cents. In fact, I'll change just to kind of help distinguish it a little bit. But 90 cents would be that next level where, again, if the price can break above to the upside of that pattern, the next big question mark is, okay, can it build up enough strength to not only get up to the 90 cents, but then push up through it? So that'll be a big question mark right there. But of course, the first question mark is just simply, can the price even break to the upside of the pattern? On the flip side of things, this entire pattern can be easily wiped away if the price decides all of a sudden to go down to that level and then just, shatter down through it. At that point, well then no, there's no more falling wedge anymore, and things kind of just gotta, go back to just completely bearishness. But as of right now, got a little bullish pattern here forming, so now it's just a question of can the price get things turned around? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.